People are one, welcome back to my channel. So Shellyann Fraser Pryce was defeated for the first time this season in the women's 100 meters race at the Diamond League meet in Brussels, Belgium. Shellyann had been having a blissful season, winning all of her races until today when Shericka Jackson beat her by 1/100th of a second. Shellyann was quick out of her blocks and appeared to be on her way to winning her number 4 Diamond League title of the season. But Shericka Jackson, reel her in over the final 20 meters. So Jackson won in 10.73 seconds and Shellyann came in second in 10.74 seconds, which is like a photo finish. So Shellyann Fraser Pryce is regarded as Jamaica's darling, and you don't know many Jamaicans would like to see her win every time she steps out on the track, but there are other athletes who want to win as well, and so congratulations to Shericka Jackson. You understand? And congrats to Shellyann as well. Yeah man, big up on yourself every time. Thanks for watching, subscribing to my channel. You understand what? But until next time, bless up.